Greetings everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. And yeah, today I'm going to show you guys a piano tutorial for the song Khona Manje by what's the name, Busi Sibiya, right? So yeah, this video is going to be in the key of A flat, right? So the chords for the song aren't that difficult, right? So it's for those of you who do know the song, maybe like the one which they usually sing in church, right? It's just lungi sindaba yako no chesu kona manje, kona manje, kona manje, nako yo chesu kona ma 4, kona ma 5, kona manje, right? So you're just doing a 4, 4, 5, 1, right? But what we're going to do here is so lungi sindaba yako no chesu, we're gonna play a 4 like this, right? Right, so we're gonna play a 4 like this, or you could just do 4 octave and then, or you can do like this way, right? So left hand we're gonna have a 4 1 5, right hand we're gonna have a 6 1 3 6, right? 4 1 5 6 1 3 6. And then next we're gonna do the 5 chords. Left hand's gonna be a 5 octave, right hand's gonna be a 7 2 5 7. Next chord's gonna be a 1, so left hand's gonna do a 1 5 1, right hand's gonna do a 2 3 5 1. Then the next chord is gonna be a 6. So left hand's gonna play a 6 3 6, right hand's gonna be a 2 5 7. So we're technically doing a 5 over 6, but you see it's sort of it's, I'm playing the 2 5 7 and then resolving that to like a 7 1 3 5. So the 4 chords. Lungi sindaba yako no chesu kona manje, kona manje, kona manje, nabo yo chesu kona manje, kona manje, kona lungi sindaba yako no chesu kona manje, kona. You see, it's just literally that the whole time. So that's literally the song, right? Right, so as you can see, I'm just playing a 4 5 1 6, right? Then the next part of the song, it goes to this oh Khona Manje, right? So what are we playing there, right? So we're technically just playing a 1 3 5 6 1 oh, right? But then that is technically you going into a 4 chord. So you see 1 3 5 4 chord, 5 chord Khona Manje, 1 chord, 6 chord, oh 4 chord. So you see it's repeating the same thing, 5 chord Khona Manje, right? So but then in order to follow the melody, what you can do is you could do this over here. Both hands play 1, right? So 1. Let me just do an octave higher so it sounds better. Right, so you can do that over there, right? So what am I doing over here? Both hands are playing a 1. Then now left hand is doing a 1 octave, right hand's doing a 3 5 7 2 3. So now left hand's playing a 3 1 3, right hand's doing a 5 1 2 5. Now I'm doing a 4 chord. So left hand's doing a 4 1 4, right hand's doing a 6 1 3 6. So So over there, I almost do like a jumping motion. So, right? But then, yeah, one. But you can also just replace that that 4 chord. Left hand's doing the same thing, but right hand can do this. You're gonna do a 2, 3, 6, and then shift that 2 to the 1 and add the 1 octave. So. Right, then your usual 5, 1, 6, then again, 5, Khona, Manje. Right? Then we now we're gonna do this 1 octave, left hand 1 octave, right hand 1 octave, both hands. 1, then 6, left hand on 6, right hand on 6 octave. Left hand on a 5, right hand on a 5 octave. It's like a right, so it's 1, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Right, but left hand's on a 4 octave because it's 1, 6, 5, then 4 chord, 5 chord, 1 chord, 6 chord. Right, 6, 5, 1, 6, 5, 4 chord. Khona, Manje. 1, 6, 5. 2 times. Right, so that's literally that part over there. Then the last part is where it goes. Yeah. So then, yeah, we glorify your holy name, right? Because we glorify your holy name. Right, that part there. So it goes like a we glory. So the first time it's kind of like they're doing a major one, right? But let's just say they're not doing a major, and they're always doing like they're not doing the 4, but they're doing the flat 5. Right, so we're going to do that. 1, 3, 5, 5 flat. So now left hand's doing a 5 flat, 2 5 flats. Right hand's doing a 6, 2, 3, 5 flat, 6. So 1, 3, 5, your holy name. Left hand's now doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 7, 2, 5, 7. Right? Then we're doing a 6, 1, 3. Both hands 6, 1, 3. Oh. 6, 1, 3. Then this is the chord you're doing next, right? Left hand's doing a 5 flat 1, right hand's doing a 3, 5, 6, 1. But you're gracing the 5 into the 6. So then left hand's doing a 5, 4, 5, right hand's doing a 1, 4, 5, 1. Resolve back to a 1, 1, 5, 1, left hand, 2, 3, 5, 1, right hand. Let's hear how that all sounds together. We glorify your holy name. We glorify your holy name. Right. that's actually how the song ends. So hopefully you guys enjoy this tutorial here, and until next time guys, stay blessed.